Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 16th, 2022. AMD, has bottomed. I'm going to show you all basically from the price chart as to why I think that the market has bottomed in AMD momentarily. Welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion. You guys can see that I got a price prediction on the chart right now to where I was looking for the market to go down, and now the market has changed. This is one reason why I respect the price chart, because it tells you precisely what the market is trying to do. And you can actually know when it might be a good entry point to come into the market and actually participate with everyone else as the market continues to ride higher in price. I'm going to show you all that today for AMD. So if you all appreciate it, join the team, join the crew, hit me up, follow me, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also tap that bell notification as well, because I make this simple. Now, before I get started and show you where I think the market has bottomed momentarily for AMD, let me show you what happened on my last price prediction. I did a video for AMD on March the 5th. So here it is, March the 16th, 11 days, all right? And I was playing the weakness into the market in AMD right here, okay? And I've told you that we definitely needed to see the market in AMD come in and grab this trend, right? Look how far this trend goes back. It goes all the way back to March of 2020. And so far, the market, let's give it credit, has been successful at keeping price from breaking that long-term trend. Let's give it credit. All right, this is what I do. If they're right, if they're showing me what they want to do, then we're going to follow suit. They came and did a successful job at not letting price break below the trend. Now, I had a price target around $100 in AMD. You guys can see it wasn't long after, maybe two days into the price prediction, that the market in AMD came down here towards $100.08. Pretty close. That's around 7.25% profitability there. And right now, I don't think it's going to hit that $95. No, and let me show you why. Okay, so let me get rid of that. Okay, first things first. One reason that we can say that the market in AMD has bottomed is because, like I said earlier, the price has been obeying the trend. And when it continues to obey the trend, you know that's where you need to participate. You know that this is where the market is actually speaking and saying, look, I'm not trying to let this price fall below this line. Yeah, we got to pay attention to these things. That's the first thing. Now, not only is that the reason why the market has bottomed in AMD, take a look at this. We got two reasons as to why the market in AMD has bottomed, and we're going to identify both. So the first one was the trend, right? Second one is $100. The market in AMD has seen price from highs come all the way down 40, almost 39%, right? The market finds that attractive, obviously, because the market is not falling below $100. Not yet. That's what I'm telling you all momentarily. I'm not saying this is the complete bottom, but this is one for momentary reasons. Take a look at this. Okay, because that's what I'm saying. I don't want everyone to try to become complacent and think that everything else is smooth sailing from here on out. No, that's not the case, because this is where restriction is going to be next, right? Right up here, around 120 to, let's do 125. That's where the next restriction area is going to be in AMD. This is the 3-day time frame here in the market in AMD. So at least momentarily, I am going to predict that the price in AMD is going to go up. That's what I'm predicting. Now, the issue that you and I had to try to determine and figure out is, okay, if that's the case, how high? Where would you expect the sellers to be? This is AMD on the 2-day. Right there. What do you think? Should we expect a colossal movement higher in price, or should we just expect a small spurt of movement higher? Because my intention, if I'm looking for the price to go up, my next attention is going to be, okay, let's figure out how high. And I can already see from this perspective that could be restriction right there around 112. Okay, let me get rid of this line because I don't want everyone to be confused. But the next level is like around 118, 120. That's the next level. Outside of that is 125. Right? Now, it might not be a lot for you. Let's see, matter of fact. For us to go to 120, it's about 8%, 9% movement higher. What do you think about that? Is that a good play? Or should we just wait till the market give us more run? What do you think? Because what I'm going to go with is we're going to play the strength into the market in AMD until market breaks below $100. We break below $100, then that would entail that the market has broken this trend as well too, right? So let's do it. First area is 120. Like 118. All right, right there. Now, the longer that we see price in AMD hold above $100, we're going to go higher than 120. So let's say that the price in AMD comes back down and we just hug the market at 100, and then market is expected to break 120, and the long term might even hit like 125, 128. But we have to see the market hold $100. If the market ever breaks below $100, then the anticipation and the forecast and the prediction of us looking for the price to go up is now gone. All right. We have to understand how not to be emotional. And once an action actually happens, that's when you need to act. Once the price, let's just say it does, right? Let's say it does break $100. You got to act on that, because so many people want you to come in and hope and then wish, and hey, I'm in a lost position anyway. I'll just hold it until it goes back up, whenever that time will be. Okay. But the market is telling you, especially if it breaks $100 in AMD, that this long-term trend that started back in March of 2020, you might be waiting for a long time. Just like it took almost 2 years for the price in AMD to go up there to 160 from what? $42. Yeah. It's something to consider and think about. Okay. But yeah, I'm playing the strength into the market here, into the market in AMD, because so far the market has determined where the bottom is. It's at 100. And as long as that holds, we already know that the prospect of a price going up is still there. All right. So I want you all real quick to drop me your price prediction, your price target into the market for AMD. Let me know, where do you think the price is going to go as we go into the month of April and May? Do you think the price is going to hold $100? If so, let me know. All right, welcome to the team. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.